Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in Grand Theft Auto 5. To begin, you'll need to locate a Los Santos Customs shop on your map. These are marked with a spray can icon. Drive the vehicle you wish to sell directly into the garage. This is the exclusive method for offloading vehicles for cash in the game, so knowing its location is key for quick earnings. When selling, remember there's a difference between stolen and personal vehicles. You can sell most stolen cars, but not high-end ones like supercars. They're simply too hot. Personal vehicles, however, are always eligible for sale. Just be aware that once you sell a personal car, it's gone for good, so choose wisely before making that final decision. The actual selling process is straightforward. After driving into Los Santos Customs, a menu will appear. Scroll down and select the sell option. The game will then show you the precise cash amount you'll receive for your vehicle. Confirm your choice, and the money will be instantly added to your in-game bank account. It's a simple two-step process to turn unwanted cars into valuable funds. To maximize your earnings, keep a few tips in mind. You can only sell one car every 48 real-world minutes, so plan your sales. Always repair any damage to your vehicle before selling it, as this significantly boosts its value. Focus on selling common, mid-range cars for consistent income. Knowing these details will help you efficiently turn your vehicles into cash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.